that last meeting you left feeling aligned. Everyone nodding, clear next steps, then 2 weeks later nothing had moved. Or worse, everyone moved but in a different direction. Most leaders call that an execution problem. I've spent years watching capable teams hit the same wall, and it's almost never net execution. It's the conversation that built the plan in the first place. Results depend on execution, execution depends on alignment, and alignment depends on the quality of the conversations you're having. When those conversations break down, strategy stalls, teams drift, and the cost shows up in missed quarters and people who quietly check out. Better Conversations is a program I deliver that closes that gap. It's not another communication workshop, it's a working method your team will use the next day. If any of this sounds familiar, get in touch. It starts with a conversation.